Hey, hi, this is Suresh from Provoke Technologies. Today we covered the topic called data science life cycle, which talks about the all the phases of important phases of the data science. If you want,
Hi all, today topic is correlation versus causation. Correlation versus causation. Now let us try to understand what is correlation. Correlation means how two variables are related, how two variables are related when one changes, the other tend to change as well. So it meaning of that when you take the two variables, x changes, y also will change. That is called the correlation. Correlation. The correlations are different types of correlation. There are three kinds of correlation. There are three kinds of correlation. One is positive correlation, negative correlation, and no relation. Zero. When it goes to the positive correlation, x changes, y also changes in same direction. Negative correlation. Negative correlation. X increases, y decreases. Then we call it as a negative correlation. Negative correlations. Zero correlation. Zero correlation. What it mean? These two x and y are independent of each other. Independent of each other. There won't be any relationship. There won't be any relationship. Now, next is causation. Very important term in statistics. One variable directly causes change in the another. Causation means one variable directly causes the change in another. Change in the another. So, cause and effect. Cause and effect. X is the reason. If it is been y, it is dependent on x, then we can say that causation is happening. Causation. This is the causation. Key differences in correlation versus causation. Question: correlation. Do variable move together? Correlation? Yes. Causation also? Yes. Does one variable produce change in other? Need not to be true. So this is yes. And this is the major differences between correlation and causation. We will see this how this will help in the machine learning perspective. In machine learning, it will see that how two variables are related to each other, and the causation, changing the feature causation, changing of the feature x directly change outcome of y in the real world. So let me see some of Python code. Let me go back and see the correlation and causation. Okay, let me go to the program and see correlation. Let us have some programming so that you will understand whether we have the correlation or not. Matplotlib, Seaborn. We will download all the necessary. Then temperature, np.random, normal. I'm taking some values, interval of 5. I was taking 200 observations. Ice cream sales. We will take this also. 200. Drawing incidents. Drawing INC. Now we will create a data frame. We will create the data frame. df equal to pd dot data frame. We will see df dot head. We have this kind of thing. We wanted to see whether we have a relationship or not. Whether do we have the relationship or not. Print \n correlation matrix. Print df dot corr correlation. Correlation matrix. It is having temperature, ice cream, drawing INC. It is having the correlation. It is having the correlation. You can see that in the map also. df dot correlation annotation equal to true. CMap equal to color. Wow. So you can see that temperature drawing INC 91, temperature increases, sales are increasing. So that's where your correlation talks about. One variable increases, how the another variable is affecting. This is the variable ice cream sales increases and ice cream sales are increasing, drawing INC also increasing. This what we can conclude the conclusion of correlation. Thank you for watching the video.
Hope you have enjoyed my video. If you want to more content, please click the link below and enroll with us.